Welcome back to my journey through Veganuary. As a child, I was told that I can be whatever I want when I grow up, so I've chosen to be a vegan. The vitriol that I'm getting for identifying as a vegan is entirely unjustified. Who are you to shatter a child's dreams? I say plainly each time that I'm a non-practicing vegan, which allows me to indulge in all sorts of delicious meat and still identify as a vegan, even though I have none of the necessary traits. And not respecting someone's chosen identity says a lot more about you than it does who I choose to be. Yes, I'm a vegan, and yes, this barbecued beef hammer was delicious.